Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. I bring to you all warm greetings from the islands of Kiribati in the Pacific region. I am very honored to be here delivering this statement on behalf of the government of Kiribati to highlight some of the national efforts and initiatives on gender and women development in alignment with the theme of achieving gender equality in nationality laws. Madam Facilitator, as a large Pacific Ocean state with a culturally entrenched patriarchal system still in place, achieving gender equality, especially in areas closely connected with culture and tradition, is very challenging indeed. Although remarkable strides have been made in the areas of education and employment, as evidenced by the high number of women occupying more than half of the top administrative and professional positions in government, apart from parliamentary positions. High school and university graduation rates continue to favor female students. Madam Facilitator, when Kiribati ratified CEDAW in 2004 and followed by surveys on issues concerning women, the government launched a program aimed at not only identifying areas of discrimination, but also formulating strategies and approaches and legislations to eliminate all forms of discrimination against its people, in particular women, children, those with gender diverse, and people with disabilities at all spheres of society. The government, in its Kiribati vision, a 20-year long-term development plan, 2016 to 2036, also included gender equality as one of its priority areas. Gender is also included in the Kiribati Development Plan 2020 to 2023. And in the Ministry of Women, Youth, Sport and Social Affairs Strategic Plan for year 2019 to 2022. At the ministry level, a gender equality and women development policy 2019 to 2022, which was developed in alignment with the short, medium, and long-term development plans of government, and with clear emphasis and guidance from regional, international, and global frameworks, treaties, and conventions such as CEDAW, including SDG, Sustainable Development Goals, as well as our national legal frameworks. At the national level, strengthening the governance of a gender-focused and women development initiative is key to government. A lot of work has been done around legislative reviews and passing of laws to capture the needs and interests of the vulnerable groups. The legal frameworks were also designed to protect and improve their well-being and promote equal rights in society. To highlight a few of the relevant laws include the Family Peace Act, 2014, which is now currently reviewed for improvement, the Education Act, 2013, and supported by an inclusive education policy, the Employment and Industrial Relations Act, the Penal Code, and the Disaster Risk Management and Climate Change Act 2019 that also mainstreams gender issues by supporting women access to sexual and reproductive health care, women's safety during disaster and emergencies, including violence. These are just a few from the list that have been improved, but there are still more that needs improvement to ensure they are gender focused and balanced. Madam Facilitator, despite our progress in this area, achieving gender equality needs a long-term commitment, collaboration, and partnership to address the root cause of gender equality in our country. Mainstreaming gender at all levels, especially in remote islands, is challenging because of the sensitivity and cultural linkages attached to it, making it difficult to change people's behavior and mindset. In addition, drought and saltwater intrusion are imminent threats and challenges beside COVID-19 pandemic and other health-related crises affecting the livelihood of the people, especially women and girls. Madam Facilitator, Kiribati government acknowledges the fact that these gender gaps are caused by social, cultural, and environmental challenges and barriers. And obviously, these challenges affect the achievement of gender equality in society and in nationality laws as well. However, the government continues to work on improving its systems and processes to address these key challenges. Furthermore, the government recognizes the importance of focusing and educating children at a young age on gender, especially on equal rights, beside the older people, as an early influencing approach to address behavioral and mindset issues. The approach is envisaged to have a greater impact and will change the community and society over time, but it requires a lot of work, time, and resources. This is one area that Kiribati would further develop and progress in collaboration with interested partners. Madam Facilitator, Kiribati acknowledges the commitment, dedication, and efforts of everyone involved in this space. So on this note, I would like to encourage leaders in government, non-government organizations, faith-based organizations, private sectors, civil societies, development partners to maintain and strengthen their support, cooperation, and partnership as one family in this quest for world of peace and equality. Madam Facilitator, to conclude, I would like to convey words of appreciation and acknowledgement to the organizers, fellow speakers, regional and international development partners and donors for their commitment, strong dedication, and partnership in progressing and advancing efforts in this space, mainly to address gender inequalities and discrimination for the betterment of our future, a future that is safe and peaceful. I thank you.